Good morning. I am going to tell you a little about my life. Me and my family. My name is Camila Guajardo. I am 23 years old. I am from San Fernando. I live with my parents. My mother's name is Maria Angélica Cabrera. She is 50 years old. And my dad's name is Claudio Guajardo. He is 51 years old. Like and dislike. Likes. I like to drink coffee with something sweet in the morning. I like to cook sweet things on weekends. Dislikes. I don't like to get up early on weekends. I don't like to walk alone at night. I am scared. Hope and traits. I am a nursing student. I get up early morning and I turn on my computer because I have only classes. I am learning and I like it. My dad works at home and my mom takes care of my niece. Agreements and disagreements. Agreements. My dad doesn't like to go shopping. Mine neither. My mom likes to cook. Me too. Disagreement. I have a sister. Her name is Axa. She doesn't like sport. I do. I like ride a bike. My sister likes to drive. I don't like it. I prefer to walk. My dog. I have a dog. Its name is Emma. It is cute and loving, but sometimes it is aggressive with people you don't know. My dog likes to go for a walk. My best friend. She is my best friend. Her name is Katia. She is very important in my life. We always do things together. We dance at night. We are going to eat. We go to the beach. Our meetings are the best. Thanks for your attention.